6.2.11, solve the following system of equations. So again, I'm going to start by labeling the equations. I'm just going to draw my little diagram for my technique here. So I'm going to take two equations, get rid of a variable to get equation 4, take another two equations, eliminate the same variable. So now I have two equations with two variables, so that's 4 and 5. Then I want to eliminate another variable to get a single equation with one variable. Right, so that's kind of the outline. But if you notice, all three equations are missing a variable. So I actually can save a little work here. So I can take, for instance, I can take equation 3 and say, all right, equation 3, let's get rid of A. And it's done for me. So my equation 3 becomes my equation 4. So I don't have any work to do. So normally I don't write this down, but just to kind of show you my idea. So I've used equation 3 to get 4. Now to get equation 4. Now to get equation 5, I have to use 1 and 2 because we need to use all three equations to get these two to get 4 and 5. So, and I have to eliminate the same variable. So since I got rid of A by not doing anything, I need to get rid of A with 1 and 2. So I need to multiply equation 1 by negative 2. I get negative 4A positive 40B equals positive 2. And I'm using equation 2, and I don't need to do anything to it, plus 80C. Let me rewrite that. Equals 2. This one equals 16. So the A's cancel. I get 40B plus 80C equals 18. All right. So now I need to take 4 and 5 and get rid of another variable. Looks like B is the good choice. So let's subtract. Let's do negative 1 on this one. So it's negative 40B, negative 64C, negative 16. 5 we leave alone. 80C, 18. This will be my equation 6. B's cancel. And that is 16C equals 2. Then I divide both sides by 16. And I get C equals 1/8. Okay, so now I solved this one. For C is 1/8. I'm going to plug the 1/8 into 4 or 5, whichever one looks easier. They're about the same. C is 1/8. I guess it doesn't matter. So let's use 4. Let's use 5 because 1/8 of 80 is just 10. 80 times 1 divided by 8. So that's 10. Subtract 10. Divide by 40 and then reduce it. So that will be 1/5. Okay, so I got 1/5. Now, so B is 1/5. So now I'm going to plug in 1/8 and 1/5 into 1, 2, or 3 and solve it for A. So actually I can't use 3 because A is missing. So I got to use 2 or 1 or 2. So let's use 1. So 1 is 2A minus 20B, but B is 1/5. There's no C. And we solve that and we get, so 20 divided by 5 is 4. Add 4. Let's see, add 4, so that's 3. And then divide by 2. And that doesn't reduce, so it's just 3/2. So our solution set is 3/2, 1/5, and 1/8. Alright, let's see how we did. So let's see, 3/2, 1/5, and 1/8.